Good morning, guys. Here I am again, doing my obligation every morning. After a bit exercise, stretching the nerves, the veins, so that the blood will flow smoothly. Then after that, cook the rice, boiled water. After that, cook viand for the kids going to school. They have different viand because they like, especially my nephew, he likes hot dog or ham. He doesn't like to eat vegetables. That's only like crispy chicken, fried crispy chicken. Early in the morning, I already off the light to conserve energy. Already off the light, conserve, save current, to conserve energy. This the view. It's almost 6 o'clock in the morning. Alright guys, have a blessed Wednesday. God bless us all. Stay safe always, guys. I'm not wearing my false teeth if I'm at home. Only if I'm going out. Bye guys. Bye-bye. Shout out to my top star sender. I forgot. So long her name. Okay. I forget her name.